Fahmida Azim wins Pulitzer Prize 2022. Bangladesh-born painter and storywriter Fahmida Azim has been selected for the 2022 Pulitzer Prize. Currently, she is working for Insider, an American online magazine. Fahmida Azim was born in Bangladesh and settled in America. Identity, culture, autonomy, his work focuses on themes of. His works have been published in many international magazines like NPR, Glamour, Scientific American, The Intercept, Vice, The New York Times. She has also illustrated several books, including her own stereotype-shattering project, Muslim Women Are Everything. Apart from her professional pursuits, Fahmida loves real people living extraordinary lives, imaginary people living beautiful ordinary lives and enjoying food. What is the Pulitzer Prize? Pulitzer Prize is an award that is given for achievements in newspapers, magazines, musical composition, online journalism, and literature. This prize was established in the year 1917, by the provisions that were written in the will of Joseph Pulitzer. These prizes are being given annually in 21 categories. The winner in the prize's public service category receives a gold medal. In 20 categories, the winners each receive USD 15,000 and a certificate.